Good evening, YouTube. How are you guys doing? Okay, I had to go ahead and open it because I didn't know what was in the box. There's 3 items in the box. So this is a personal review, a PR that I got. And it is a Jinri Paris Professional. It's 1875 watt Salon Pro hair dryer. Infrared ions salon dryer, a versatile dryer for amazingly easy styling. And here it is. But I have not opened it at all, so I'm gonna open it with you guys. Yes, I'm fogging up because I just took a shower because I need to wash my hair so I could try the new hair dryer. So let's give her an open, you guys, shan't we? Okay. Let's see, what does it all come with? It comes with 2 attachments. Okay. Alright, here she is. She's not real big, but she's not one of the compact travel size ones either. Let's see what it has on here. It has a cool button, and then high and low, and then high, medium, and low, which I do not know what that's for, so that's why we're going to look at the instructions. Yeah! We're going to look at these instructions and see what they say. Let's see. Okay, the features. Direct ion hair care, cold shot button, temperature settings, speed settings, 8-foot cord. Ooh, that's a long cord, you guys. 8 foot. Grill release and a hanging hook. Okay, I gotcha. I keep fogging up, but okay. So this little attachment right here is a concentrator. Not that I really ever use stuff like this because my hair is just straight, has always been straight. And this puppy here is a finger diffuser. Okay, so let's plug her in, and I'm going to blow dry my hair, and let's see how it goes. How about that? So, but here she is. Okay, and the cord is extra. Oh, it has a little Velcro strap so you can ravel your cord up and Velcro it so the cords don't get everywhere. But look at how long this thing is. Look at that. To there. Wow. Very, very long. Okay, and it comes with a little protector on the prongs. Okay. Let's see how hers does. I do like the long cord. The long cord is awesome, you guys. Not that I ever have time to really blow dry my hair, but hey, I've got one. I haven't owned a hair dryer in, oh my gosh, I can't tell you how long. So let's see, we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so this is to turn it on. So there's your high and your low. And then these right here, the high, medium, and low, that's gonna be your heat setting. Yeah, okay, so let's give it a whirl. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey, you guys, we're almost done. Took a little bit, but I haven't blow dried my hair in forever. But, okay, I'll be right back. I'm back. And it's about as done as I'm gonna get it. I think my tips are still a little damp, but that's my fault, you guys. So overall, it's a hair dryer. It works good. It has the hot, which is hot, the medium, which is, you know, it's not as hot, but it's still pretty warm, and then the low. So, I mean, would I recommend it? Yes, I would recommend it. And it's a Jinri. Jinri. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Don't know if I am or not, but a blow dryer for your hair to style. And she comes with these 2 attachments. So, you guys have an awesome night. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. And until next time, y'all take care and God bless. Bye, y'all.